Today's video is about the bid grid. As you notice, when you start a job, you will be adding the bid name and status and description, so forth and so on into the job. Here it'll populate on what we call the bid grid. Here you have your bid name, number, bid date, status, description, estimator, so forth and so on. Notice that we also do have filtering options in here that you can use. Also, for instance, like job status, you can also add them into these other categories. From here, you also have the option of viewing all the bids, all open bids, checked out bids, your own bids, open bids, recent bids, and checked out bids. One thing we recommend is if you wish to have your jobs into the cloud to go at the end of the day, we suggest you go to all my checked out bids. And if you see the screen is blank, then you know you have checked in all your bids into the cloud. And to do that is very simple. Is we go back to all bids here, and then we get to our all my bids. If I check in, I check out a job out of the cloud here. This job I'll be working in, and it populates so that I can make changes to it. So at the end of the day, when I go back here to bids, and I go up here and view all my checked out bids, notice that this pops up here, so I need to check out this in to the cloud, which is basically your library to store this book of business. So I hit yes, and you notice the screen is blank. At this point in time, I can close down the Edge for the evening.